Hey guys, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another family room update. I've been creating videos for you all to see every step of the way, from painting to furniture update to an entryway and more. So I'll link that playlist down below if you'd like to get caught up and see the transformation from before to now. So now I'm really excited because we're getting down to the details of the room, and those are the things that really turn your space from a house into a home. So we do have this large sectional in the room. We've had this for about a year, and we bought this before we did anything else with the room because we really wanted something that would be cozy and functional for the space and for our family. So even though it is a large sectional, it does not block any of the traffic flow in the room, so it really does work well in this space. We also went for a darker color couch because we do have a black dog and we have 2 children, so it also needed to be really practical, and the darker color definitely works better for our family and for our situation. So we've really given this space a whole new look by lightening up the wall color, adding the white trim, and also some beautiful light and airy farmhouse style curtains. So I also wanted to lighten up the look of the couch. So with the help of Kirkland, I'm going to take you along and show you how easy it is to add some accessories to make your space extra cozy. So let's get started.
First, adding throw pillows to your couch is a great way to cozy up your space. I also chose really light colored pillows to lighten up the look of the couch. Adding soft blankets is also a great way to cozy up your space, and because we have such a large sectional, I've added 1 to each side. I am a blanket person for sure. It doesn't matter what time of the year it is. If I'm on the couch, usually I'm under a blanket as well, so it's nice to have 1 on each side of the couch so that they're easy to grab. Another great way to make your space feel more homey is to just add a few accessories to your coffee table, and this just makes it feel much more inviting. Here's a look at the space before and then after with all of the accessories, and it's such a huge difference. However, it was such an easy transformation to just add some beautiful throw pillows, blankets, and a few extra touches to the side tables and coffee table. I love just adding lots of texture to my space. It makes it extra cozy. And the pillows from Kirkland really helped pull this whole look together. I absolutely love texture. These pillows have so many great details on them, yet they're still soft and inviting and really all work together even though they're all so very different. I will have these 3 pillows from Kirkland linked down in the description box below if you're interested in adding these to your home decor. I couldn't be more happy with them. They are gorgeous on the couch, and they do really add so much to the space.
Thank you so much again to Kirkland's for providing a few of the throw pillows that you saw in this video. It definitely helped to cozy up the space. I hope that this video inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. You can also share it with your friends and family and inspire them too. And let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite way to cozy up your space? And I hope you will also hit that subscribe button and stick around as we are still continuing the update on this living room, and I have a big tour for you coming up. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure to hit the bell as well so that you get notified when my videos go live. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.